What is inside the Waploaded Crypto Academy? No doubt, fiat currencies, dollar, Naira, Franc, etc. get devalued by the day, and the buying power of these currencies are constantly reducing. Imagine if you had 10,000 pieces of fiat currency 10 years ago. Would it be as valuable as it was right now in 2021? Well, there's a way out of all of these through the Waploaded Crypto Academy that teaches cryptocurrency investing and trading. The easiest way to store wealth, accumulate more wealth via crypto assets, and thus eradicate poverty. Here's what you will find inside the WCA Academy portal. Visit the website crypto.waploaded.com. Register, log into your dashboard, and upgrade your account to premium. You will get a tutor that will guide and educate about all we do. Gain access to our private WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Get trade signal alert via SMS and our website. Expert guidance on risk management and market analysis, and so much more. On the WCA portal, we offer the following: futures trading, spot trading, futures trading bot, yield farming, staking, and various other crypto trading education. Join us today. Let's beat poverty together at the WCA.